Welcome back to the JMK Garage. As I shared in my last video, I'm starting off the new year by changing the plastics and graphics on this 2023 Husqvarna TE150. But before I do that, it's time for one last ride. the new fucking plastics. My gosh, the pipe's fucked too. Fuck. It is.
Yeah.
How are you? So without a doubt, I thought for sure I was getting arrested that day. But it turns out the cop either wasn't there for me or he was just there to follow up on a complaint from the ruckus I was causing. But regardless, I pushed the bike home as fast as I could, kept looking back over my shoulder, and he never came after me. So I hid away in the garage, never looked back outside, and never got a knock on the door. So I call that as a win, despite the damage done to the bike here. Alright guys, before putting the new plastics on, I guess it's a good thing I did it before I put the plastics on. Just went out for a nice, what was going to be a nice ride. It's beautiful weather outside right now, like almost 10 degrees Celsius. And like I said, it's beautiful out there. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Anyways, still a lot of snow and ice out there, especially in the woods. And I was cruising through the woods, not even really giving it at all. It's been pretty cautious, but I hit some frozen ground. I wasn't even on the ice or snow, but I hit some frozen ground, spun out. I think I got that in the GoPro, but the Insta either turned off right before or turned off when I hit the tree. But anyways, I slid into a tree pretty good, broke the plastics. That sucks. So both shrouds are deckered. I may have bent the rad, but I might be safe. I'm not sure there. But I just fucked up the pipe. And as you can see, it's not even in the motor anymore there. So that pipe's toast. It's garbage. So it looks like I'll be in the market for a new pipe as well, which I was not. Wasn't expecting that. We're planning for that cost. Anyways, I gave the motor wipe down there. It looks like it's not cracked or nothing. So fingers crossed, it's all good. Same with the frame and the forks too. I think they're straight, but the tree went right between here and dickered that. Didn't seem to wreck the fender. So I hope that's all the damage. So the bike's quite loud now. And riding back, I turned it off because there's an old couple there who lived down the road from me, so I didn't want to take them off the noise. and luckily I did. So the cop sitting there eyeballing me up pretty good. Not sure if he was there because of the noise or something else, but there's never cops around here, so a little worried he's gonna come knock on my door here. All right, well, all we do now is replace those plastics, new decals, and looks like a new exhaust. See you next time, guys.